I'm Cheryl Fitzgerald from Callaway, Henderson, Sotheby's International Realty. I'm here today at 27 Constitution Hill West in Princeton, New Jersey at this lovely 3-bedroom, 3 full bath, semi-detached home. It is beautifully situated in this wooded area and it is on the market for $850,000. Let's go take a look. As we walk in, I wanted to point out the lovely 2-car garage that they have detached. It has a lofted ceiling area that's great for extra storage. Look at these beautiful gardens. Love this green door. There's like a hunter green door. It's a lovely way to enter. So as we enter here, we have a generous foyer with a 2-story open area with a lovely chandelier as this following the staircase up. There's lovely storage here and there's a secret over there. If anybody knows me, I bet you can guess what it is. Okay, we proceed into the kitchen here. Beautiful little breakfast nook with additional desk area. What I love about this home in this area is they were designed in the 1980s, but they really have well thought out architecture that gives both pieces of the duplex total independence. You have no idea that you're attached at all. Check this out. It's got a beautiful dining area with built-in buffet. Really getting all this light. It really has to do with the way the property is angled, that it gets so much natural light. And you come into here and you've got really a 2-story living space. Look at that. Beautiful. And a gas fireplace. So this is nice and cozy. And that's all over wood floors. And then you have the addition the owners put in. This has been owned by a single owner the whole time. They put in this lovely sunroom on this stone tile overlooking all their gardens. All the windows have been replaced, so it's a huge expense taken care of. They're all updated windows and doors, giving you this like cozy little nook to enjoy and really expanding the footprint of the house. The property was developed by a relative of J.P. Morgan. There is a mansion, a Morgan mansion on this estate. It's now been subdivided into condominiums. Like I said, there's an association that takes care of everything from garbage to basic landscaping. There's tennis court and pool. And there it is. There's my secret little bar hidden away in a closet. Fully stocked and ready to go. I love that right off the entry. Welcome home. We have a full bathroom here that services the first floor. Let you see there's a shower behind me. And then we have this bedroom or study as it's being used right now. And then into the main bedroom. This main bedroom gets lots of light, windows on 2 sides, and those sliders again are brand new. It's a big expense as these are really custom sizes. And as you can see out this window, the tennis courts are right there, and that's for the whole community to use. And here we have the main bathroom with a big walk-in closet area with extra shoe storage, double vanity, and shower and water closet in there. It really provides everything that you need to have, and then none of the annoyances of maintenance. And now we head back up the stairs. This upstairs has its own super spacious Bathroom here with plenty of natural light. And this rounds it out with a third bedroom up here. If you have family to come to visit and you want a little space, look at the beautiful view of the fall leaves there. Really gives everybody their own space to enjoy. Now, can't you just imagine coming home, grabbing a beautiful cocktail right here, and sitting out. The weather is cool around the fire or in this beautiful sunroom. If it is a day like today, which I have to say, 10 out of 10 on the weather, come out here and enjoy this beautiful private garden. I'm Cheryl Fitzgerald from Callaway, Henderson, Sotheby's International Realty. Thank you so much for joining me here today at 27 Constitution Hill West in Princeton, New Jersey at this 3-bedroom, 3 full bath home. I hope you enjoyed seeing it here. You have a first floor bedroom, you have lovely main floor living, and it's a beautiful home on the market for $850,000. If you have any questions, please give me a call. My number is 818-321-7821. Thanks again.